Dear OpenCutList users, imagine a new feature that allows you to configure wood grain continuity. Let's consider this closet, where the doors are made from paneling with a wood grain. When calculating the cutting diagram, one observes that the grain continuity is not preserved. What we would like here is for the 4 pieces of the central column to have a continuous grain. We will therefore mark parts C, D, and E so that they detect continuity. The engine successfully detects the 4 parts and combines them into a single block in the cutting layout. Let's now take it a step further by adding the other 2 doors. And we can do this even more easily using the continuity configuration tool, which acts directly on the 3D model parts. 6 parts are now detected and arranged in the diagram just as they are in the 3D model. That's great. But now we are going to isolate these parts into a group. This group will allow us to contain the continuity detection. This allows us to separate and name continuity groups within a larger project. If you find these features useful, join us in making this great project a reality. Make your contribution today. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.